Austin, dance to it. What are you dancing to, Austin? What are you dancing to?
Because he loves it.
Well then dance, just stand there.
That's right. Hey, do you know that when you...
That's my part. Are you Hitler? Are you Hitler? You look like Hitler.
Austin, dance. Are you just gonna sit there and just dance, Austin?
Good Lord, he scares me.
Me too, but it's okay. It's still funny. Austin, say hi to people on YouTube. Oh, do the thing that Miles kept doing, or Eric kept doing the other day, that he racked himself.
I bet he did.
Not that. It was the other thing. Austin, do the other thing that you were doing a minute ago. Not that.
The hump?
No, not that.
Ow, mother.
Yeah, the thing that Amy just said.
The hump thing. No! I don't need to see that.
Do it again. Do it, Caitlin. Austin, do what Caitlin's telling you to do. Do it.
Shimon. I don't understand.
Oh, wow.
Michael Jackson.
Say hi, Caitlin.
It's Cat, not
Amy.